be transforming myself into an Instagram baddie. So if you don't know what that is, this is what comes up when you look it up. It's basically like a girl on Instagram who is kind of like an Instagram model, but like their style is very specific, like nude lip, kind of heavy makeup, really sleek, pretty hair, kind of like trendy, cool outfits. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a whole mood, and I'm gonna try to transform myself into that today. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and get on into the transformation. Okay guys, so step one here is I need to become a glowing tan goddess, because Instagram baddies always have like this perfect tan, and well, I don't live in California and it's kind of not really tanning weather, so I need to do fake tan. Okay, so I kind of have to do this off camera because, like, you know, gotta get naked. But this is me before, just a pale little bean, and we'll skip to the after where I'm a glowing tan goddess. And here is the after. Not totally looking like a tan goddess yet, but it's supposed to get gradually darker over the course of 4 hours, so we'll see how that goes. I do think I look a little bit darker though, so we're definitely like getting there, but yeah, we'll see at the end result of this video. Also, excuse this red mark here, I just like scratched myself and it turned red, so I'm fine. So I feel like Instagram baddies always have like those like pointy or coffin shaped acrylic nails, and honestly like they look really good, but I don't think I could pull that off or live with acrylic nails for like more than a week or two. So we got the next best thing. These are just like stick-on long acrylic looking nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, hopefully these like don't stay on forever because I kind of don't want to live with these. I used to wear stick-on nails in middle school, and like they were clearly a lot shorter than this. They were like regular size. So this kind of feels like I've like graduated to like the long acrylic nails. Oh my god, how do I open this? I got it. Guys, it's so long. Oh my god, this glue is so strong. Oh, these are never coming off. Please let me know in the comments how to get nail glue like off. These are insane. So long. Oh my god, guys, look at these nails. Yeah, I need to file these down. These are so big. You know, it's bad when you can't even pick up the nail file properly. Well, that took like 10 years, but now I have long acrylic nails. And also, really sad story, apparently there was glue in there, right? Like what I used, but also there were adhesive tabs I could have used, and yeah, that would have been great if I'd realized that about a half an hour ago, but it's okay. Hopefully these come off. But honestly, no, now that they're like significantly shorter, I do think I could live with these for more than like a day. So if it does happen to take a little bit to get them off, I think I'll be fine. So now that I'm tan, kind of, I got long nails, let's go ahead and do some Instagram baddie makeup. So just looking online, when you look up Instagram baddie, I feel like the trend for makeup is very like dramatic eyes, big eyelashes, like winged eyeliner, and like a nude lip, and then also just like tons of highlight and bronzers. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully by the time I'm done, I look really hot. And since I feel like I'm not really looking like an Instagram baddie yet, hopefully this will just like bring it to the next level, you know? So yeah, let's get cute. I do feel like a real beauty guru though with these long nails and doing my makeup. So even if I don't look like an Instagram baddie, I definitely feel like it now that I have these insane nails. I really can't get over these nails. It's just like, it's a lot. I feel like it might be kind of bad that I'm like putting on makeup before the self tanner is like totally like set, but hopefully it's okay. If the self tanner is streaky, it's definitely just because I didn't follow the directions. ton of bronzer, and hopefully that helps with the whole like tan Instagram baddie look. Also, excuse my makeup skills, like I'm not great at this. I'm just like trying to look cute here. I kind of have like one makeup look and this is not it. Okay, we're just gonna do like a ton of highlight. Like the idea of Instagram baddie makeup is that it just looks good on camera, and in person it might look like super extra, but on camera is like what matters. Just gonna put a ton of highlight on my nose. I don't know why, but that is like such a trend with Instagram makeup, is just having like a super shiny nose. And like honestly, I don't think I'm into it. I think it makes my nose look big, but we're gonna do it and hopefully it just looks cute in the photo. Wow, this is like a lot. It's very shiny. So I'm gonna try my best to do like the Instagram brow, but honestly I don't really have like the right makeup for that. You really need like a pomade, and I just have like this brow pencil, so may not be totally great. Yeah, I don't really know what to do for like eye makeup. I think I'm just gonna go with like my go-to like extra makeup, which is kind of like a pink type thing. I don't know if that's like baddie-esque, but whatever. Okay, we're just gonna like pretend this looks good, because honestly I'm just not good at eye makeup. And now I'm gonna do winged eyeliner, which I haven't done in like 3 years. Okay, that looks mediocre. Mediocrity is kind of what we're striving for here, because you know I can't I can't do like amazing makeup. Okay, and now for the final touch, I just gotta make my lips look huge. So I'm just gonna like overline them as much as I possibly can. Looking good, kind of like I got lip injections, but like isn't that kind of the goal here? Matte used to be really in for like Instagram models and baddies and stuff, but like gloss is now really like the thing, so I'm gonna go over that. Okay, Instagram baddie makeup done. So next up we have hair, and I don't really think I'm gonna do too much, but I did get these extensions just to like add some length and volume to my hair. I'm thinking middle part. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like more like a Instagram baddie type thing. Okay, yeah, these nails actually are really good for parting your hair. These clips might be a little bit hard with these nails. I'm definitely gonna do this like super wrong, and you guys are gonna come for me in these comments. Okay, it looks like we are almost at full baddie mode. Let me just go ahead and get into my outfit, and we'll see the whole finished product. Okay guys, so this is my full baddie transformation and look. So I just have on this like bodycon romper skirt dress thing from Princess Polly, and then I paired it with this like oversized jean jacket from Forever 21, and of course I'm not actually wearing it because I guess baddies don't get cold. I never see them actually wearing their jackets. It's always like off the shoulder like this, which I do think is cute, but just like not that practical. But anyway, and then I just have on these high top Nike sneakers for my shoes. And then for jewelry, I'm just wearing these super big hoop gold earrings because I thought that really like tied in the whole baddie look. So yeah, this is the outfit. This is super like not me. I mean, I have all these items, I just never would style them like this. But this kind of seems like the whole baddie trend, like bodycon dresses, oversized jackets, and like sneakers with the dresses. Very like on trend for that. So even though I look like a baddie now, I am not a full official baddie until I have taken a ton of selfies. So before I go ahead and take all this stuff off, I need to get the perfect baddie selfie. Okay, so I've moved here to get some better lighting, but I'm gonna try to do 2 different poses here. And the first one is just kind of like that straight face thing that I can never seem to do without looking like really depressed. So I'm gonna try that. And then also just like that one where you're like your hands on your face and you kind of just look over the world. You know, that's like super staple baddie pose. So yeah, let's get selfie-ing. Okay, why am I blinking in like half of these? Okay, I feel like I'm kind of smiling in this one, but like close enough. So we're gonna say that's a good one. And now for the one where I'm resting on my hand. Ooh, this one's kind of cute. Okay, like I'm actually kind of into this pose. So here are my 2 finished official Baddie selfies. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think I could like low-key pull off this Baddie look, or does it look like I'm just trying too hard and I'm kind of a mess? Cause kind of feeling the latter, but I don't know. What do you guys think? But anyway, I did have a lot of fun just like transforming into this look. So let me know in the comments down below what look you want me to transform into next. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!